get that in there, and oh, looks like it's already going. Okay, so Nhemamusasa. This is the basic kushaura, the main part. And so the left hand, the 4 phrases. First phrase goes 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4. Then 3, 3, 5, 5, 4, 4. Then 2, 2, 5, 5, 4, 4. And then 4th phrase is 3, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2. So to put them all together slowly, first phrase. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now the right hand, so your thumb plays the first 3 notes. You pluck up on the 4th one up. So this one, first phrase goes 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 3. Second phrase, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 3. Third phrase, 6, 3, 6, 3, 5, 3. Fourth phrase, 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2. So now putting them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now finally, to put them all together, you start with your right hand and it just alternates. So I'm going to do the whole thing slowly now. There it is.
Cool. Good stuff.
Yep.